Welcome to this webinar on the program of 3D art and games technology. So my name is Paul Martin Tangen, and I am the team leader responsible for the online part of the delivery. So we'll start with a presentation, and then we'll do a Q&A session at the end. So if you have any questions, type them in the YouTube chat, and we'll address them afterwards. Okay, and even though I'm online, I'll still be able to answer most, if not all, about campus-related questions. Okay, so I thought we would start by going through some of the student work that they have done, just to kind of set you in the mood and give you a kind of a look at the various work that our students are doing. So this is a bit of a varied collection of student work done through the first year or the second year. So it's a bit of mix and match of that. So you'll see there is a kind of vast difference in what you will be doing on the program. But hopefully this will give you a kind of a nice intro and an idea as to what you would be creating if you join us. Okay, so let's do some boring stuff first. So market growth. So in the field of media entertainment, we're looking at the current numbers, what's the global market like, and you'll see there's quite vast sums of money involved in our area. We have for 3D visualization, 3D animation, and 3D games. I'm going to go a bit into what that means in the next slides. That's our current state of the global market, and if you look a decade onwards, we can see there is still a healthy market, and it's growing, especially in the visualization part, which is going from 3 to 34 billions US dollars in projected growth. Okay, so what does this mean? If you look at the 3D visualization first, so this will be product visualizations, interior, exterior, architect visualization. You see we have an image here from the offshore sector as well. So 3D renders and visualizing of various 3D work. Next up we have 3D animation. And as the images kind of imply, we're looking at everything from fully animated movies like The Lion King through commercials as well. Right? 3D is a field that is used in almost all areas of the commercial field. And of course 3D games. So that is not only Helldivers and the standalone newest games, it is also the metaverse you have on the mobile market with AR and extended reality like Pokemon Go, but also simulation and training, right? So the use of game engines to create training material or simulate, be it like we see here, is in a fireman drill or in the offshore sector or what have you, education, medical. Okay, so that you kind of set a bit the framework of what the field of 3D is and the field of media and entertainment and some of the things that it represents. So moving on to the program itself. I'm going to go through a bit the first year and then the second year. So what you see here and what we focus on the first year of the program is a generalist approach. So you will get to try your hands on a lot of different things. And we're not going to go through all of these, but from left to right, left top to right bottom, we are modeling. So modeling, creating, shaping objects. We have texturing, which is adding surface details, colors, etc. to objects. We go through lighting, so setting good lighting, right, like we see here as well. We do compositing elements together. We are going into the field of sculpting, so organically shaping, almost like clay, to shape your objects. For rigging, animation, we're going to go through breathing life into your models, making them move. And of course, these last 3 slides is really into the sphere of game creation and real-time environments. So we'll be creating environments for games or simulation, what have you, and learning how to create logic, creating interactivity, and creating an interactive experience. Okay, so that's very rough and kind of top level the first year. So you can take that as a standalone program, or you can move on and continue on to a second year, where we will do all of the things on the first year, but also adding in a couple of new elements like VFX. You'll see here at the far right, we have some VFX examples, some destruction and water simulation as two examples of that. And more on the technical artist aspects, creating tools for the artist. So the second year, well, the first year is focused on the generalist approach, and everyone kind of goes through the same learning. On the second year, there are some choices for you. So we'll start out with some common courses, and then you will be able to choose and specialize either into creating interactive experiences or creating content. And here is a kind of a small representation of some of what you'll be doing. And all of these images are from the lecture content that you will be going through. Okay, so next up is just a kind of a collected view of the first and throughout the second year. Kind of repeating that, there is a joint first year where everyone will learn the fundamentals of all the fields within media and entertainment, and then moving on to a more specialized choice on the second year, really getting to do more of what you find is interesting from the first year, really nurture that on the second year. So if we circle back again then to there are three categories that we presented at the start, right, with visualization, animation, and games. And from the chart, you'll see here that almost all of the things you will learn are used in all of these fields. So you'll have a kind of a large toolbox and a varied job opportunities afterwards to go into either one of these areas. And the image collage on the right here are some example of previous students and where they have what they have worked on. Okay, so after finishing 2 years, there is also an opportunity to move on to a third year abroad to take a bachelor's degree. And we have 3 collaboration universities, either in Teesside, University of South Wales, or Solent University. So there is an option here to, if you want further study and a bachelor degree, to move on to 1 extra year abroad to get that. Okay, so what do you need to start? All we require really is that you have the passion and wants to create 3D art and interactive experiences. So there are some, you need study competence or prior learning, realkompetanse in Norwegian. Other than that, that is it. So some might think that, no, I'm not creative enough or I'm not technical enough. You are. Those are skills that you will learn. So I would not worry about that aspect. That's a common kind of concern, especially on the creative aspects of it. Okay, so going back again, starting with some student work and more student work, really. Because I think this is kind of the best representation of our program, is just what our students are making. And again, there is a vast variety in here, and you will get the chance to create what you want, right? We have, of course, some assignments and some tasks, but our mission is for you to be able to explore and really unfold yourself in the creative and technical field of 3D. And these are, I'm not sure I said it, these are both school assignments and personal projects that students has done during their time with us. All right, questions. It's a short and sweet presentation. Hopefully there are some more questions and some curiosity of going into details of any of this. So don't be shy. Okay, we have one here. What is the professional background of the faculty in the 3D and Arts department? So let's take myself first. I have worked for 8-10 years in the industry, both as freelance and running my own company, but also in the offshore sector. And we have a bit of a mixed bag on this. Some have been teachers for quite a while, but some has worked in the field, at Kvisten Animation, for example. So it's a bit, it's a varied on that. Do faculty members have current or relevant experience in the industry? Yeah, yes, we do. Again, some has been working for teachers a long time, while some of us have recent industry experience. Mine is getting, I think I'm on the 5th or 6th year at Noroff, so it's a while ago. But kind of our experience is also that, and especially that's a personal one. In addition, working in the offshore sector, I think I'm more up to date with the current technology now as a teacher than I was actually when working in offshore, because it's pretty set structure. Okay, hope that answers it a bit. What software and technologies are taught in the program? Are they widely used in the industry? Yeah, okay, so I was gonna have a slide, just a kind of a collage of industry logos. So we use for our main kind of 3D modeling package, it is Autodesk Maya. We use Adobe Substance Painter, Adobe Photoshop, DaVinci Resolve for some video editing. We use ZBrush for sculpting. Unreal Engine is our real-time engine of choice. So all the real-time work you'll do will go into the Unreal Engine. And we use Nuke for compositing. We do on the second year have photogrammetry as well. So we're using for the online, you'll be using Agisoft Metashape. While on campus, I believe it's Reality Scan or Reality Capture, sorry. That's at the top of my head, I think, all of the software that we do use. And all of these we are really focused on using the industry standard tools. Okay. Does the program provide access to the latest tools and technology used by professionals in the field? Yeah, so most of the software package that we use have student licenses, meaning that they are free for students or come at a limited cost, right? So for example, ZBrush, there is a cost attached to that. I think it's 300 NOK for a year, right? But compared to the price of a commercial license, it's vastly reduced. And you'll then be able to get access to the latest versions of all these software. But for software that has a price tag, it is ZBrush and it is Photoshop. Other than that, there are free student versions of the rest. And if you are going to a campus, you will be supplied all of these software. Those will be already on the campus machines. That's the latest version of the program. Examples of where graduates have found employment. So if we go back maybe a bit to this slide here. Let's see if, yeah. So all of these are examples of where Noroff students that are coming out of the 3D program has worked on. So these projects basically. So we have Kvisten Animation, Cyberpunk, Pode. It's an indie game that was developed in Bergen. that is, in addition, like there is the offshore sector that is kind of not in here as a project thing, but there is Aker Solution, there is National Oil Well. There's a lot of smaller, less visible fields than I guess the big hot ones like the movie and games industry. Yeah. Okay, so a lot of questions here. It's good. Hopefully I'm not missing anyone. How much of the program is dedicated to hands-on projects? All of it. We want you to be working hands-on and practical throughout. So from the very first week, you will be creating stuff, okay? There is not a week goes by that you won't be creating something new or something larger or just varied things. So it's very hands-on. Okay, let's see. Are there opportunities for internship or industry placement as part of the program? Yeah, we open up for it, right? If you have a line for an internship, and some studios like Western Animation and Funcom have internships positions, and we will do our utmost to facilitate that internship so you can take it along with your student progression. Okay, that is, we really, if someone gets an internship position, we really want to facilitate for that as best that is possible. Yeah, okay, I guess that's it. It's a short and sweet presentation, but hopefully it has kind of given you some insights into what 3D art and game technology program is. And if you have any questions, follow-up questions for me specifically, I guess we can supply my email address, so we can take it there as well. All right, thank you for your time.